Once upon a time, deep in the lush, green jungle, there lived a brave little ant named Antu. Antu was tiny, even by ant standards, but had a heart as big as the world itself. She belonged to the red ant colony, which was known far and wide for its hardworking and resourceful members. Antu was always curious, and her fellow ants loved her for her adventurous spirit and kind heart. One sunny morning, when the colony was bustling about their daily tasks of gathering food and building their tunnels, Antu decided to embark on a new adventure. Today, she wanted to explore a part of the jungle that was untouched and full of mystery. Off she went, her tiny legs carrying her swiftly over leaves and twigs, her antennae twitching with excitement. While wandering through this new part of the jungle, she noticed the towering trees swaying more vigorously than usual. The ground began to tremble slightly under her feet. Antu's heart raced as she realized what was happening, a landslide. She quickly turned back, her mind filled with images of her family and friends in the colony who were unaware of the impending danger. With determination fueling her little legs, Antu raced back as fast as she could. The path seemed longer and more tangled than before, but she didn't let that stop her. She dodged falling leaves and jumped over creeping vines, her eyes focused and determined. As she neared her colony, she shouted as loud as she could with her tiny voice. "Landslide! Landslide! Everyone, get to safety!" Her fellow ants stopped in their tracks, momentarily confused and startled by the urgency in Antu's voice. She helped guide the younger ants to safety, carrying them on her back one by one. Despite the chaos around her, Antu's bravery never wavered. She made sure that every ant was accounted for. Her small stature was no match for her spirit, as she pushed and cheered her companions on, leading them to higher and safe ground. When the last ant reached safety and the dust began to settle, the colony looked at Antu with gratitude and admiration. With their home destroyed, the colony worked together to rebuild, but now with renewed spirit and unity. Antu became the hero of the red ant colony, known not only for her bravery but for the love and dedication she had for all around her. From that day on, the colony thrived once again, and every little ant knew the story of brave Antu, who taught them the importance of courage, quick thinking, and standing by each other in times of need.